Mount Rainier hikers, stranded high winds hamper rescue of 4 climbers. Live video. Dozens of rangers in Washington state are working to rescue 4 hikers who've been stranded on Mount Rainier since Monday. The 4 hikers encountered difficulties during their trek due to high winds, the National Park Service said. They began their ascent. Officials identified the men as Yevgeny Krasnitsky of Portland, Oregon. Ruslan Kospel, a park helicopter found the 4 men signaling for help at 13,500 feet below Liberty Cap on the north side of the mountain. Strong winds and, on Tuesday, efforts were made to rescue the climbers, but the windy conditions prevented crews from getting to them. Multiple efforts, weather conditions, including clouds and rain, prevented attempts to reach the men by air Wednesday. Rangers. Officials made the decision to close Liberty Ridge to keep the public and rescuers safe until the rescue mission is complete. Liberty. Mount Rainier is about 85 miles southeast of Seattle.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.